Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
For part A, we must integrate the difference between the upper function f of x and the lower function g of x over the interval from x. Given that the definite integral of f of x from 0 to 3 is 10, for the function g of x equals 12 over 3 plus x, the integral from 12 times the natural log of 3 plus x from 0 to 3 equals 12 times natural log 2. The area is 10 minus 12 natural log 2. The integral from 0 to infinity of g of x squared dx equals the integral of 144 over 3 plus x squared dx by taking the limit as b. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.